What is the equipment of Kim Kum Yong?
The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Winner and champion of Asian table tennis Australia, Kim Kum Yong. And also our congratulations for the second player of this championship.
Hello, how are you today? I'm EmRatThich. What is the equipment of Kim Kum Yong? Some players ask me, "Hi PingSunday, I'm a fan of your blog Ang Vlog. Could you confirm which BH rubber Kim Kum Yong is using? It seems not a faint long 3. We have similar playstyle, but I'm using Knuckle Dough with the help of TT_LifeArtem. Here you are. Kim Kum Yong is using the long pimple rubber. I didn't saw her rubbers by my eyes, but a girl from Kazakhstan national team played match near her and asked to watch her equipment. After that, she gave me information that I wrote, I believe her. Kim Kum Yong from DPR Korea wins Asian Championship. 23 years old, didn't lose any game in Astana, beat Sun Yingsha, Wang Yidi, and Miwa Harimoto. Her equipment, blade Butterfly Viscaria, backhand rubber, Victus Curl P1V, maybe 0.5 millimeter sponge, long pips, forehand rubber, Tenergy 64. The sponge on the red forehand is orange, like the Tenergy series. You can see that in this photo. The rubber ID is ITF 117038. (117038) is the ID of Victus Curl P1V. On the forehand rubber, you can see in this photo, the rubber ID is 14003. (14003) is the rubber ID of Butterfly Tenergy 64.
If you want to find the equipment of any table tennis player, very easy. Just search on Google, for example, Ma Long Equipment PingSunday, or search Felix Lebrun Equipment PingSunday. You will have the right answer.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.